Introducing PUMPIT, the world's smallest portable tire inflator. Remember the time your car got a flat tire? Or your basketball didn't bounce back? Or your bike doesn't ride as fast as usual? Don't worry, PUMPIT will help you out. Simply remove the hose and the applicable nozzle, plug them in and screw it on the tire valve stem. Choose the right inflation mode and start pumping. It's that easy. PUMPIT comes with a 40 cm 16-inch rubber air hose, a sports equipment needle, 2 high-pressure nozzles for cars and bicycles. It covers almost all your inflation needs. A 4 modes in 1 design will intelligently preset a desired pressure once you press the button. An auto shutoff feature which will stop the motor when the target pressure is reached. PUMPIT barely tips the scales over 1 pound and doesn't exceed 5.1 inches on any side, making it the smallest pump among all the competing brands in the market. PUMPIT has a relatively powerful motor with a maximum working pressure of 120 psi and a good airflow which can inflate tires in a quiet, fast, efficient way without heating up. PUMPIT has a power indicator and floodlight to make tire inflation or changes much easier, even in pitch black conditions. PUMPIT, a must-have emergency roadside kit.
This weekend outing is what I've been looking forward to this whole week. The flat tire could have ruined this whole thing, but luckily, I've got a NORSHIRE portable air compressor. It is easy to store and can be placed anywhere in the car. The strong motor of up to 30,000 rounds per minute and the high-pressure propulsion system of 10 bars allow it to inflate tires of sedans, SUVs, and even trucks. NORSHIRE features a self-illuminating dot mattress, OLED display with capacitive touch. This smart device monitors the tire pressure real-time and stops automatically when it reaches the preset value. When the batteries run out, it also can be powered directly from a 12-volt power supply, such as the cigarette lighter socket. NORSHIRE also has more uses. When it comes to inflating a bicycle, NORSHIRE also makes everything easy and reliable. Want to inflate your basketball? NORSHIRE can inflate your basketball fast and full and will allow you to more focus on sports. Enjoy the quiet lake and inflate the kayak with NORSHIRE. This will make you feel relaxed. It's that simple. With a NORSHIRE portable air pump, you don't have to worry about the various devices being affected by the lack of air. NORSHIRE, one kit for every car owner.
The 87P portable compressor from Tyre is the perfect tool for inflating compact and mid-size car tires. Featuring 120 psi pressure gauge, LED work light, dual battery clamps, and a deluxe carry bag, this air compressor is capable of inflating up to 31-inch tires or lower. Start the engine and pop open the hood to connect the dual battery clamps to the battery. Always remember, red to red and black to black. Remove the valve stem cap, attach the end of the air hose to the tire valve stem, and secure it by tightening the twist-on chuck. Power on the compressor by pushing the on switch on the front of the compressor. The tire will now inflate. Make sure you don't overinflate the tire past its recommended pressure, as doing so can damage your tire and may cause serious bodily injury. When the pressure gauge indicates the desired pressure, switch the unit off and remove the air hose from the tire valve stem. Finally, place the cap back on the tire valve stem and remove the battery clamps from the battery. Vair's 87P portable compressor makes tire inflation easy and affordable to help ensure your vehicle is in optimal running condition.